Hi everyone, welcome again to my TikTok channel. This is Chemistry Guru. So a quick one. We're looking at this question that says that we should complete using the words below. So let's go straight. Metal atoms form dash ions. So I would advise, if you've not watched my previous videos before attempting this question, please do go watch the videos where I try to explain the chemical bonding. So, um, so what do metal ions form? They tend to form positive ions, right? Why do they form positive ions? Is because they lose electrons. But what happens to non-metals? Non-metal atom dash electrons in the reaction. So non-metals, they tend to give us negative ions. So for them to give us negative, it means that they are gaining more electrons more than the protons. So they gain electrons in the reaction, forming negative ions. The oppositely charged ions dash each other. So we're looking at the word attract. So positive ions, we always attract negative ions. So we have, for example, Mg2 plus, and then we have a Cl negative. They will tend to attract each other. So this is called, so because we have opposite charge ions, and that's positive, like I said, and negative, it's called a covalent bonding. Sorry, not covalent, ionic bonding, I mean. So I'm just going to correct it. Ionic bonding. Now when non-metals combine with each other, they form dash bond. So that is where covalent bond comes out from. Their atoms share electrons. So go back again, have a look at this question and see if you can answer it yourself. Just give it a try again. So let's go to the second one. It says sodium atoms lose an electron when they combine with fluorine. Each fluorine atom gains one electron in the reaction. So let's have a look at it. A sodium atom loses an electron. So you remember sodium has atomic number of 11. If it tends to lose an electron, which is the configuration is 821, if it tends to lose an electron, it means that it has more proton than than electron. So that means it's going to be positively, it's going to be positive. And then for fluorine will have 9, which is going to be 2 7. So fluorine is going to gain, right, gain an electron. So if it gains an electron, it means that we have more electron than proton. So that's why it's going to be negatively charged. All right. Now let's look at the A part. It says, what is the name and the formula of the compound formed where chlorine reacts with fluorine? When sodium reacts with fluorine, so that will be Na plus F. It's going to give us NaF, sodium fluoride. So if it's an ion, so Na plus F minus, it's going to give us NaF as well. Potassium is a metal and then it loses an electron when it forms an ion. So potassium has 19, that's the atomic number. So the electronic configuration for potassium will be 2881. So if it tends to lose this electron, what happens? It means it's going to have more proton than electron, I mean. So that means it's going to be K plus, because it's losing just one electron. So what is the formula for the potassium ion? So that is the formula for potassium ion, K plus